How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to our episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over how to attach our permanent stud mount brackets to our K-Force light bars. Now this will work on our K-Force mini light bars and our K-Force full-size light bars, but I brought our K-Force 27 TIR in amber for example. So the first step here is you'll want to power your light bar off, and then you'll turn it over, and then you'll use the existing hardware from your light bar feet underneath your light bar to attach your permanent stud mount brackets. Now with our K-Force mini light bars, you'll get your included magnet mounts here. So you'll see that I have a mount here, and my hardware is here as well. Now I'll want to go ahead and take this foot off, and then I'll use the existing hardware on the light bar here to attach my permanent stud mount bracket. So let me go ahead and do that here real quick. So once you have your feet removed, you'll want to use your existing hardware here to attach your permanent stud mount bracket. Now since this is our standard size K-Force, you'll only use 2 of your screws here, and then you can go ahead and just tighten the bolt to the other screw and put it to the side. So let me go ahead and do that here real quick. So you'll notice again, since this is my standard size K-Force, I'll use 2 of my existing mounting screws there to attach my permanent stud mount bracket. If this was our K-Force Micro Series, your permanent stud mount bracket would mount sideways and you'd use all 4 screws, and that's for our K-Force Micro Series. But again, this is our K-Force 27 TIR. So you'll see this is a perfect option if you're looking to permanently mount your full-size light bar for a headache rack, or if you want to permanent mount our mini light bars as well with the permanent stud mount bracket. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.